In your joint circular, kasi pinag-usap, in relation to that, pinag-usapan rin, Attorney Wamel, and now you confirm, pinag-usapan rin ang observation na mahina ang internal controls ng Office of the VP at ng DepEd. And patunayan dyan, meron disbursement officer allegedly nag-disburse ng several amounts in several places. Na-mention, in fact, sinabi ko Superman, pero sabi ng presiding officer, physical impossibility na lang ang gamitin niya. The physical impossibility of an authorized special disbursement officer to distribute all of these funds in one day, based on your opinion, professional opinion, does this indicate what they refer to as lapse of internal controls? That a person solely authorized to disburse is not the only person actually disbursing. Would that be lapse of internal controls?
Yes po, kasi under the joint circular, it's the responsibility ng head of agency to institute sound and effective internal control po.
And when the head of agency, in this instance, the Vice President, says to the SDO, to Ilagan, pag sinabi ng Vice President or DepEd, who is the head of agency, ikaw, Special Disbursement Officer, huwag ikaw ang mag-disburse. Ibigay mo yan sa security guard, sa security personnel. Ibigay mo yan, pag-disburse, huwag na ikaw. Bigay mo sa security personnel, knowing, or she ought to know. She knows or ought to know as head of agency and as a lawyer, knows or ought to know that the person expressly authorized by law is the only person authorized to disburse public funds. Tama ba yan? Is that an indication of tight internal controls?
Hindi po.